and welcome to Crafty Club. Today I'll be walking you through a very easy friendship bracelet pattern for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome back to this week's YouTube video. In this video, I'm sure you already know this, but I'm going to be walking you through how to do this pattern. But before we get started, please be sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not already a part of the Crafty Club. So, I have my strings laid out in the order that the pattern says to. Oh, and before we get started again, I don't have the link to this pattern, but I will take a photo. I have a screenshot of it, and so you'll have to watch till the end of the video to see the photo. That way you can take a screenshot of that and then print it out. So, I have, once again, as I said, I have my strings laid out in the order that they need to be, as you can see up top. White, pink, blue, white. So, you read left to right. So these two are going to be doing the knot together, and these two are. So the first knot is going to be a pink backward on white, and then we have a blue forward on white, and just remember the blue string goes to the right, the white string goes to the left, the pink string goes to the left, and then the white string goes to the right. Alright, now we'll slide it down. And so on this pattern, every other row you don't include the two outside strings, so we're just going to get rid of those. They're not needed in this row. So it is going to be white backward on white, and the white that was on the right is going to the left, the white that was on the left is going to the right, and now these two are back in the pattern. Next row, we have a pink forward on white, and then we have a blue backward on white. This pattern is super nice because it's really easy because it only has 8 rows. So after this row, we're already halfway done. Row 4, 2 outside strings aren't included, so that will be the white for this row. Then we have a pink forward on blue, next row, halfway done through this. There's not much room for mistakes, so that makes it easier, whereas if you have something like this pattern, you have a lot of room for mistakes. So that's part of the reason why it's so nice and easy. So now we have a white forward on blue, then we have a pink forward on white, next row, outside strings are not included, which for this row is the blue and the pink. And we have white forward on white, and then bring these two back in, slide it down. We have blue forward on white, white forward on pink, and then it's our last row. Once again, the outsides are not included, so that's white in this case. And last row we have blue forward on pink. So you can see it starting to form. And so you can just do this pattern as many times as you need to get the length that you want. And so that is how you do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep going down the bracelet so I get to the length that I want. Hey guys, so now I have finished the bracelet and it looks pretty cool. So I was able to bang this out in like 20 minutes. It's a really quick pattern, really easy to follow, and it's a great beginner's pattern to learn how to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get that into focus. There. So that's what it looks like. It's really pretty, and you can change the colors. Instead of pink, you could do a red, and instead of the light blue, you could do a navy, and keep the white. It's entirely up to you. And just make sure that you know that, let's say you were doing it like red, white, and blue, then make sure that you know that the pink is the red, the blue is the navy, and the white is the white, obviously. So that's it for this week's YouTube video. Have a great week, and we'll see you next Saturday. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you get an alert when I post a fun new craft for you.